Hey, what's up, design homies? It's a new week, new prompt. Hope everybody had a good weekend. This week, we are gonna be designing a text-based app for Sharpen.design, which is already like a text-based web application. So I think what we're gonna try to do is build an iOS version of that, more or less. All of the same functionality, probably. We'll go for a very similar aesthetic, but let me pull over the Sharpen website. Whee! Okay, come on, keep dragging. There we are. So that's the website. That's what we're working with. And let me get my other windows back normal. So it is like, it's all text, you know, aside from this, but we're not gonna really build the what are we into the app. We're just gonna build the actual top of the fold. So yeah, I mean, you got the new challenge. We'll probably move that down here to the bottom and replace the learn more. We'll keep the lock features in case somebody wants to lock just that. But obviously not gonna build in the randomizer. That'd be crazy. Let's see here. So they have their little like logo up here. I like it. I don't think I can grab this logo or their icons. I don't think. Let's see. So, it's a symbol. I get that. Yeah, they're not like... Let's see. Can I go to there? Let's see here. I see the website though. Can I go to there? I'm gonna try to copy just that text. See what happens. Damn! Alright, so it didn't work. Yeah, I don't think I can grab just that icon. Which is crazy. Bet we could do that pretty easily though. I don't know, that second one has like a weird no border radius and it goes like all the way up past the midsection, so we can try something. Alright, cool. So if we're gonna do this for iOS, the first thing we need to do is open up all of this stuff. Let's see here. I think the 390 is probably what I'm gonna go with. 390. Whoa. Probably get a few of these. Just what is going on with my mouse right now? It's letting me down. It's still doing it. It's still doing it. Luckily, this mouse was doing that a while back, so I bought like a new mouse like 2 months ago. And then one day, I don't know what happened, I was just kind of like fiddling with this mouse and it stopped doing it. So I was like, cool, I don't need another design mouse. And if it's gonna start acting up again, you know what? I'm gonna replace you. I've got your replacement right here. You be chill, mouse. You stop that. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man. I will replace you right now. Okay, so let's say like splash page, home page. Then we have Should we do like a how it works? Should we walk it through like a tutorial? Are we going that in depth? Or are we just gonna show the functionality? So we could maybe say this is gonna be like tutorial 1, tutorial 2, and then maybe we kind of branch this. Oh, come on, what are you doing? Branch this off. Drag it back. Oh, what are you doing, mouse? Don't let me down like this. What are you doing? That's it. That's it. We're opening the new mouse. Oh my gosh. Why is it like this? Let me go get some scissors. This isn't starting off great. All right. Okay, new mouse unboxing. You guys get that in a stream. This is a Logitech M100. Not a very expensive mouse at all. It doesn't have your MMO 12 buttons on the side. It is a basic boy mouse. It's wired because I prefer that. Google Logitech M100 if you care to learn more. Alright, where's this cable? How do I get this cable out of here? They packaged the hell out of this. Good job, Logitech. Okay. I don't think I need anything else, but I'm gonna set it aside just for now. Twist tie off there. Oh, fresh cable. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so I think I have a port right up front. And then where the hell is my other mouse? It's not you. Sorry about this, you guys. Oh, this is a short cable. Maybe I'll plug that extender into this. An idiot. Alright. Okay. Now to go behind everything with this cable. Are we back? Are we back? Let's get this defective one out of here. What are you doing? I want to be clicking on this the whole time if I don't get it out of my way. For sure. Alright. You dead to me. You dead to me, mouse. Alright. Let's keep designing, you guys. Let's check out this new mouse. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, wow. It moves so nice. What an upgrade. Been sitting on that thing for months. So now let's grab all of these. Oh, come on, give me that one too. And drag them. How many of these do I have? Get out of town. That mouse screwed me. Alright, so we just kind of want to center it. There we go. And then this will be maybe What is this gonna be? They have 3 different sections here. We could do sign in. Sign up. Yeah, that's fine. If we want to do those. And then they do have 3 different sections for different kinds of designs. Let's see here. We can do branding, which actually only has like 1 option. Then there is UX, UI. And then they have marketing, I do believe. Let's double check. I still have the page. Products and UX. Okay, I need to change that one. Products and UX. Marketing and branding. Okay. They have the ampersand in there. Gotta make sure, you know. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Okay. Let's see here. So let's get some text. They use like a very bold sans serif. I looked into it right before this, but I think it's a paid font, so we don't really have that. Enter might be a good substitution for that. So we're gonna play around with Enter as our font, I betcha. Want it black, and then we'll just type in, I think it's lowercase. Sharpen. Let's go to their website just to double check here. Yeah. Lowercase. And then what is that? 12? Let's make this 32. Let's see here, and then maybe like buttons. We'll just make a rectangle down here that's like that. Maybe another one down here. Can we get 64? Yeah, nice. And then so let's see here. How many of those do we want? We could have one that just says generate now, you don't have to sign in. One that maybe we don't want them to be able to generate from that. Do we want them to sign in? I feel like you don't need them to sign in. So let's make the first one generate. Generate, sure. And then we have one for sign in. And then let's see here. Pro Tech Cut. Hey, thank you. Mushroom.store. Those links are constantly changing, man. I can't ban you fast enough. But thank you for being here, my robot friend. So generate, sign in. I feel like there were a couple of things that we wanted. let's see here. We could go really small font here and say, or sign up. You know what? I don't really want to. I don't really want to clutter the space with an or sign up under it, because that could just be combined if like you hit the sign in page, then you have the option potentially. You know, you could put that on a different page and then keep this a little bit more minimal. Could. Is that, no, let's see. Is that 8? Should be 8. Or sign up. All right. We can maybe just change the color of this to like a blue. There you go. Generate, sign in, sign up. This is basic. We're not. This is not the final design. Or do we need like? We were gonna replace that learn more. Was there actually gonna be a button down there? We would need. Okay, somehow we need to list the categories. Do we do it from that button? Maybe this homepage just does like everything. Maybe we have... Maybe we just get rid of sign in, sign up. Maybe. Because I think, hold on, look at Sharpen. If we just go to their website, sharpen.design, like this is it. We're not on a weird page. It never really prompts you to sign in or sign up, I don't think. You can. Let's see here. Whoa, this is actually different. This is actually different than like a week ago, I feel like. So where's the sign in part? Does it not work? There we go. Yeah, this is completely different. So even on desktop, they just have a hamburger menu. Is that, no, hold on. Is that what it's like? Is that a breakpoint? It is! Okay, that's a breakpoint. We were looking at tablet. Alright, so it does say just sign in or join for free up here. And then you can constantly new challenge it. New challenge. Okay, so you can't see that. That is not a hollow. I was wondering about that, because they do that so well on all their pages. Let's see here. Yeah, it's under design. I guess we could change that. Let's see. So they have like a globe for all. Branding, I'm not really sure what that icon is. Color swatches. Marketing, that might work. We might have something for that. Maybe. Products and UI is a star. So then within each of those, I think there's another, except for branding. Marketing has digital, physical, events and promos. Products UI has digital, physical, and then experimental, which is cool. Then branding just has branding, I think. Well, maybe. Products, organizations. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Even branding has all of those. Okay, so they each have 3. Weird. All right. I thought branding was just like, you're doing this whole thing. So we need a drop down box up here too, probably. That is got this, we'll just do that, we'll just do this. Sure. 180. So then we have products and UX. Let's try to get that in this box. Alright, that's centered inside this. Are we sure? Oh man, yeah. Forget that those triangles have like a weird extra. Let's see. I think I can maybe fix that. No. 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 Maybe if it was a frame. I can mask it and then maybe make it a little bit more centered. But this is like the worst wireframe ever, so we're gonna leave that. So let's see here. Yeah, on this I do not want these, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna just get them out of here. You know, we don't want that at all. We'll put something up there. Where's my circle? You could just hit O on the keyboard, but why would you? Let's see here. I'm gonna do 24, 24, and that's probably still too big. No, that might be perfect. Let's try 32. I like it a little more. $16 by $16 off that corner. Sounds good. Then look what we have here. Cool icons. I use this thing all the time. So we'll just say this is fine. Maybe make this like 28. All right, so that's not bad. Let's just group those two things. So we have, that's gonna be our profile. So I'm not really set on the layout of this at all. Generate needs to move all the way down. I don't think we need a tutorial at all. So we can probably get rid of that. Sign in, sign up. That's probably fine. We definitely don't need a tutorial. Cool. These two should probably move up, but I need to group that, that, and that. And this will be our drop down. And then I'm gonna group drop down with the Sharpen Prompt, and this can be like brand and drop down. Then we'll make that probably 16 from the top as well. I'm gonna auto layout this and then side by side it. Yup. We do it? 16, nice. Okay. Jeez. One day we'll figure out this mysterious PC. Let's see here. It's not the worst. Should we make the... How high is this? 42. Oh, did we not log it? It's scaled, that's fine. That's still only... Oh no, that messed that up. There we go. So that's not bad. They have kind of a darker, not dark, but let's look at their website. I guess it's lighter. It's just like a little rectangle up here. They do have an about. I don't know if we really want to do the about. I don't think we do. Alright, so then... Whoa, that's not what I meant. Sharpen.design, that's all I need. I just kind of meant to switch back to Figma. So we could have big bold text. Could we though? Because like, it is iOS. What does it look like on iOS? Let me pull it up on my phone, you know? I guess I could do it on Inspector too. Okay, it is 2 lines, that's fine. So I'm just gonna type in what this one says. Create an outdoor add mockup kit. That's 1 piece of text. So let's see. I need this to actually be less than... See, there's gonna be... That's 16 across. I need it to be another 32 in, I think. That's if we make the lock 16. So let's try, let's see here. 32 plus 16, 48 is what I'm looking for, I think. I need 5 more pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 48, alright. That might still be too close. Let's see. Can I bring that to 28? I can. Can I bring it to 32? I'm just trying out what my max font is here. No. 28 would be the max for that one. Create an outdoor ad mockup kit. For your nearest school. So the way they have it is it's like create is a different color. I'm just gonna go bada bing, bada boom. For is also gonna be for your nearest school. I actually really like that blue. Create an outdoor mock-up kit for your nearest school. But it's nowhere near big enough, you know? Like, we have all of this real estate. I don't know if I've ever done a landscape app. That could be cool. Flip this whole thing on its head. It kind of. I can make the font bigger. I'd have more room to kind of separate the elements on the header. It would mimic more of a desktop. It could mimic more of a desktop experience in like in terms of, you know, resolution, I guess. Aspect ratio. That's the word I was looking for. Not quite the same, but closer. Let's mess around with that. Let's go. I'm gonna grab this guy, drag him down here. And this is gonna be homepage, landscape, and then we're gonna rotate this whole thing 90 degrees. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so now these still aren't grouped, are they? Generate button. So I don't want him that far off the edge, I don't think. 32 might do it. 32. Let's do 32 in from that now, since we have the space. I do wish I had their logo. I wonder if I could find that on the internet somewhere. What if we made the generate button like off center? We don't really want it to be. That's gonna be too high. I fear. Let's see. I do feel like that is not quite what I want. Let's grab both of these. Whoa. Oh, we don't have these auto laid out. That would be cool to do. Shift A. Oh, that was a Control A. What did I just do? No. Shift A. And then, you know what? Let's give it 0. This is gonna be challenge. We line it up there. Where do we line this up? Let's increase the font first. Let's see. Want to do that and that, and then maybe make it 32. And then maybe make it 40. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's see here. I want this to be fill container. I want this to be fill container. What? The hell was that? Why did it pop up like that? That was weird. So I want it to fill this way, you know? Like it's not doing right now. Okay, let's see here. We want it to be... I don't know why that's happening. Do I need to make them both the same size before? Man, I had this problem like 2 days ago. What was the fix here? So I make both of them, because I want the fill. I want fill. That is true. I don't want it to be fixed. Let's see, fill container on that as well. Hug contents maybe on those? Is that what I want? Hug contents? And then, oh god, what in the hell? This is auto laid out, right? Why is the spacing not working? I want it to be hug contents. And hug contents. It's on auto layout. Oh wait, what the hell is happening with this? I can't wrap my head around why this keeps changing. Fill container, fill container, fill container, fill container. But then the whole container should fix itself. You're supposed to fix yourself. Hug contents, I guess, maybe, sure. Dude, nothing is responsive. I'm about to ditch this, start over. Alright. This one was like more responsive, and they're not even auto laid out. Why? Let me shift A this frame, or make this a frame. Let's auto laid out. 0, 0, 0. Yeah. And then if I do, God, that, it doesn't do anything. I want it to fill that container and hug those contents, sure. There we go. There we go. Okay, so got that one to work. Now, same thing for this one. We need to make that an auto layout container. We're gonna zero these out. 0, 0, 0. Good, 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 good. Then make it what? Fill container and hug. There we go. So then after that, we grab both of these. So this is gonna be, let's see here. Create 4. So we're gonna do that, and then shift A those. This is gonna be challenge. So then I'm gonna grab challenge and bring it down here. I did copy, oh shit. Copy it. Paste it there, and then what? Okay, that's ridiculous. We just fixed everything so it would work, and now it doesn't work. I swear this is exactly the same thing I was running up against yesterday. I want this to hug content, fixed width. Why doesn't it control everything inside of it though? This is bogus. I need it to resize everything in it, but why does it not do that? It worked fine when they're separate. Like, let's see here. If we open this dude works great, right? He did work great. What the hell is the difference? So if I remove auto layout, and this is just, I hate it. Why is it like this now? Now it's fixed. Why did that change, you know? I don't know. This is exactly how I want it to work. Yeah, you grab it, you can move it, it's responsive, everything works. But for some reason, this is crazy. I don't understand why that doesn't work. Why does the container not resize? What is in it? Does it do it if I do that? No. Why? Why am I having this issue? I've spent 40 minutes. Not 40, I'm sure. But I can get each separate part to work. I just can't get them to work together. And I swear we've done it. If we do that, that's not what I want. I want this to fill, not hug. I want this to fill. 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 Okay, did we do it? It's just because everything resets, I guess. Okay. You can set your stuff up all you want. But at some point it's just gonna change. Alright, so we're gonna copy that and then paste to replace down here. And now do we have? Yes. Yes. So let's come way over here. I'm gonna grab that, and then we're gonna change that to like 40, right? 48, maybe. Nah. 40. So we have 38. Is that right? 32 should be matching. Okay. Then that one, let's go 1 pixel over here, 64 off. And then I want this to be like 64 off as well. 78, 73, 67, 64. There we go. Could have just done math up there and then centered. Wait, are these not... How are these not together? What? These aren't in an auto layout container down here? Didn't I just paste to replace those? Oh, did I just somehow drag that out of it? How in the shit is this happening? This is driving me absolutely nuts. I don't know why. What is happening? This is supposed to be really easy. But auto layouts are just screwing me right now. Let's just center this. I swear. I don't know why this challenge... How did that form get down there? Control Z. We're gonna delete all of this again. What the hell? Grab this whole thing. Control C. It's still down there. Is there any other weird stuff? Control V. Alright, we have it. Now all you gotta do is stretch that out. It works, it works. Control Z. And drag this up to the middle. Until the middle. There's the middle, okay. And then we just kind of want to... Is that gonna be 64? 71? Nice. Okay. Then, without changing anything, I want to grab these two things. I want them to be 40. Perfect. And then I'm going to grab this whole dang thing and put it right in the middle. Let's move it up. How much space is up there? 147. 150. Let's move it up by 50. Is that too much? I think it's too much. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not centered. It's up a little bit. So we have these two. For that, let's see, I guess. Ah! We could do that. So we'll want probably a button that has each category and then a subcategory maybe? Yeah, we do need the subcategories on here. So I'll just come up here, and then for products UX, they have digital products. Whoa. This will be like 20, 16. Let's try 20. No, let's try 16. And then let's just go down to bold. So we'll have digital products. They're middle on this. Maybe? Not really. We'll do our best. Alright, so digital products. Physical products. And then we have experimental. This one's gonna be underlined. Just because that's what we're working on right now, and I really think these should even be smaller. Let's try a 12 point. And then we can come up here and say distribute horizontal, and then knock that down to maybe 32. And then maybe push that 32 over. So this is how wide? Shit, 42 by 42. This is 42 high, right? 42 plus 16 is what, 58? 58? So I need a banner that's like 58 across. So let's make... Oh, just hit R. Cool, and then 58. And maybe we make it this blue color? Who even knows? That looks ridiculous. Alright, where is that rectangle? We'll pull that all the way to the bottom. Wait, didn't we math that? Oh no, I didn't add the 16 to it. That's hilarious. So that rectangle, I want to add another 16. There we go, now it's centered. Create an outdoor mock-up kit. So that font doesn't necessarily work. Or that color anyways. Let's change it to white. I said white. Let's do like C4 for this one since it's not picked. C4 again. And then maybe even Maybe even drop these to semi-bold. No. Medium. Regular. Okay. It's not bad. I feel like these shouldn't be centered on that though. Let's bring them down somehow. Is that where we want it? Digital products. That still gives it 16 bottom. That looks better to me. That looks pretty good. You know, it's not finalized or anything. Maybe we make this actually 32 and 32 again. $32, that's good. Generate. And then maybe this is better in the middle. It's still, I don't know. Let's add a drop shadow to that. Cool. Should we have like a, we need like a way to favorite. Maybe? Is there not like a, oh, I guess I'm not saved or logged in on my phone right now. Let's get a like a arrow going in a circle if we can. Go refresh. Let's see here. I know there were arrows, right? Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Here we go. Let's make it, what is that? 29. I feel like those are too far apart now. That's fine, I guess. But let's make it black. Cool. And then let's see. Create an outdoor ad mockup get for your nearest school, and then using a lot of purple, so that bumps it up a lot. Is there a way to What happens if I do it now? Still bumps it up. Kit. Okay, so I want this to maybe be... Damn, how do I want it to drop down, not up. I honestly don't know why it's popping up instead of down anyways. It's like the bottom of it is anchored. Now, let's see. If I put it at the top like that, was that my problem? I don't think so, because I still have this. It is not. It is not that problem. What if... Nope, that one doesn't have a... Huh. And then if I do the same for this one, does it... It still moves everything up. Why? Why? Is it because... Okay, what is the 73 to that, but 147? Come on, 147. So let's add on the top of this 147 padding. Now, I swear. What? Okay, now the padding's gotta be like through the roof. Why is it like this? Huh. If I do that, does it drop down? I doubt it. No! No, it do not. Yeah, and I don't want 147 padding for no reason at all, you know? So that won't work. Fix position when scrolling, that's not what I want. Okay, like that. Why is that happening? Why doesn't it go down? Why is it going up? It's like anchored at the bottom, and I can't figure that out. Huh. Oh, wait. Constraints? Are you kidding? Like, why? Why is it? That kind of works. At least centers it. Like, dude, don't understand this. So do I want that one, and then I want it like on the left? So those constraints are like backwards in my head. Why is that what's happening? Alright, are we still 64, 64? Not anymore. So I just like don't understand what's happening here. It's a weird Monday today, huh? Create an ad mockup kit, but now it's not centered. Like, so what happens now with those settings? It goes up and down. So we have that, and then if this drops again, see, like, I just feel like it's pushing up more than it pushes down. Maybe it's pushing down the same amount. Create an outdoor ad mockup kit for your nearest school. Create an outdoor ad mockup kit for your nearest school. So is that centered? That does not look centered. So the thing I like about Sharpen is they use a lot of like color. Their banner is going to change color depending on your search. So we need to do a lot more color stuff. Get color in there. Like, check this out. You hit new design, dissolves into a new color for you. New color, new color, new color. So every time we mock up a new page, we'll have to use a different color. So we should use that Coolers program probably. Or I guess maybe these are all just like 50% gray. I can't understand how these are meeting like WCAG up here. I feel like that would red flag for me in my program so hard. I feel like you gotta fix this. But they do a great job, and I don't know if it's like size of font or weight of font that is helping that. I don't think that has anything to do with it. I should look into that a little bit more. But yeah, right now it just looks like a Coinbase ad or something. It's Coinbase blue. So let's grab some of these. Bada bing. Maybe we'll make it like what, 300 so we can see it. What are you doing? Just in case, you know. And then we'll grab them all and we'll just group them as color palette. Paletter. Okay, so we're in there now. Let's go into Coolers. Coolers. All right, work your magic. Hey, those aren't bad. Those aren't bad. Those all look like they could be. Are you copied? You were. Alright, cool. Generate. This one looks like it would work. Copy cooler. This one would probably work well as well. I'm looking for kind of like middle gray-ish hues that will work with a white font or black. We're really dark anyways. So we can't have too many light colors, too many super dark colors, because then my darks won't show up. Whoa, those are all too light. All too light. Maybe? I like that one. This one might actually replace that one. That one looks a little bit darker. Maybe. We'll see. Keep generating. That's a good one. How do we feel about that purple, that pink? I could see those both being on there. Okay, do I want that blue? Nah, it's a little bit too dark, I believe. That one might be a little bit too dark. Maybe we choose this one instead. That's pretty similar. I say one more, right? That one has white font on it, so you know it's good. And that's another thing I like about coolers that I never really pointed out just now. Oh shit, not that. It'll show you, it changes font depending on which one's more accessible. So if it makes more sense accessibility wise to go with a white font, then there you are. It shows it in white. If it makes more sense to go in a dark font, boom. There's that. It just kind of guides you to that, which is, it's really helpful. Really helpful if you're trying to decide if it's like in the middle. So we have a lot of colors here to kind of start throwing on there. Another one that I want to look into that might be cool to work with this was like a mesh. I think it was like color mesh or something like that. Plugin that makes gradients with shapes in the gradients. So that could be fun. Using a gradient tool could be nice as well. Maybe we'll do that. But we took steps. A step. We didn't take many steps today, but I'm gonna try my best to kind of decrease the amount of time that we do these every day. Like maybe take it from 2 hours to 1 hour 15, something like that. And maybe that will help me be a little bit more concise and just like trim off the fat, really. I don't know. Basically, there's just not enough hours in the day. So I want to keep doing this because I think it helps me, and maybe it helps somebody out there kind of figure out and observe different processes of different people. So this is mine, you know, it just kind of worked. This, I didn't do a whole lot today. I kind of went back and forth on ideas, but our big takeaway from today is I think this app might work better in landscape than it does in portrait. So we'll see. Maybe we go with that. We kind of have a more or less functional. Is it beautiful? No, it's not. And then we have our auto layout container finally functioning more or less as intended. So I think the best way actually to do this is it's trying to be in the middle. This is what, 74 high. So we need to cut that in half. Should be 30, 37? 37? Do I need to move that down 37 for this to work perfectly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I don't think that's correct. 110 and 1. Oh my god, it is. I might need to find a new place for that generate button. But let's see what happens now. I don't like it being that low. But it really does kind of keep it, if it expands, in the right spot, so that's not bad. I just maybe we could anchor it up top and then only have it come down. I feel like that's kind of what I wanted to happen in the beginning anyways, and I couldn't figure out how to make all of that work. We were getting some weird... So I don't want it centered. I want it on the left and the top, right? Let's see what happens here. Oh man, I changed it. That's not what I want. Come on, just grab the whole thing. Not the margins! Not the margins! Not the dang old margins! Okay, it still moves up. I hate it. I need it to be 64 off that. There we go. Or do I need to move that to the... Is that what that... Ugh. Okay, that's it. For some reason, if you do it that way, it drops down. I don't understand. So then we can place it where we want, up here. Probably 64 down from 32. No, let's try 64 or 48 between. That might be the best. Let's add some spam. Some keyboard spam. It's not bad. Alright, I like it. I think we got our location set up now. Alright. So at least that works. I don't think we'll do sign in, sign up. We could. We may end up doing that. Branding, products UI, and then marketing. And then we have like a nice little color palette. So we could just do this and then come over here and be like, you know, I don't want this blue anymore. I want... I want that red. And it changes our whole thing. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Maybe we want that pink. We got it. Want orange. We got it. I love that. It's looking pretty sweet. And Control Z back to our Coinbase blue. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. It'll all be just text-based. Like this whole app's already text-based, so we're not really doing anything other than converting their web app into a mobile app. But it's for Sharpen. I don't really understand what else we could be doing right now. But yeah, that's about it. Oh man, it looks like my connection is doing some disco moves over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it, but that is where we're at today. Tomorrow we're gonna come in, we're gonna keep making different pages. So we'll do probably this page for product design, physical, experimental. We'll do different prompts for everything, but we'll also try to maybe make button variations, like just wireframes, different mock-ups of button styles, not actually creating variants of what we have, but just variations to see what we like the most. And then also we will probably add a template, or create more of a template, so when we change this and this, the background might change to the same color, but we may have like an opacity layer above that so that it mutes it a little bit. Or maybe that's what we'll do to the top of the headline, the nav, whatever I'm trying to call it, the header. There we go. To the header. But yeah, so that when we change our color scheme, like the whole page changes, but it has some slight tonality in there with an opacity layer. So that would be nice. That would be really cool. I think we'll shoot to do that tomorrow. But yeah, it's not looking bad. It was supposed to be a little bit less mid fidelity than that. It's supposed to be a little lower, so I could have done more, but you know, day one, first hour, we at least established some semblance of an idea on our page. So cool. Thank you guys for hanging out. Appreciate you being here. If you're already here and you want to drop a follow, I'd super appreciate it. And that's it. Happy new week. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll see you in the morning when hopefully we add more color and detail to this project.